Hey guys, I just wanted to make another video and showing you why I love having a dash cam. I'm showing you the Acasio user interface that they have for PC. Basically, I just pull the chip out of my camera and I threw it on my computer so I can show you guys this video. So another close call tonight. Um, it's not going to look that close. Honestly, that's again how the depth perception looks a little bit on these cameras. And again, of course, the camera being slightly off to the side. Part of this is being cropped. There's some personal information that I keep in my window while I'm driving so that people feel a little more comfortable when they get in the car. So I kind of crop the video a little bit here, but you'll kind of get the gist of what happened tonight. So as I was driving, basically I was on my way to the airport. Actually, there was a big demand going on over there. I was driving this area. It's about a 45, I believe, in this area here. But in any case, 35 to 45 miles an hour speed limit roughly. And so as you see here, I'm going 40 miles an hour, and I see this guy up here is turning, so I start slowing down. Oh, notices another lane, and I jump over. And of course, this guy comes right in front of me. Now, it doesn't look that bad, right? But a few things here to show you. So first off, there's this nice dip right here. Um, this dip on the on this z-axis here is basically me jamming on my brakes. Um, and if I back it up again, again that was a sensor that was there, that Z there. So if you look here again, so I'm going again 40 right here. See this guy starts out slowing down a little bit, so hit about 34, 33. This guy comes out in front of me, and I jam my brakes. So I go from 33 down to 22, 23 within maybe a couple seconds. Okay, that's a 10 mile, and then there's the dip again, right? Well, that's a 10 mile an hour drop, obviously, right? Simple math. But in any case, Allstate considers that a hard braking situation, deemed to be unsafe for driving, and that actually messes with my discount, like the State Farm commercial says, right? Well, Allstate has an app that I run to get me a discount, and that is considered hard braking. Um, and in all honesty, obviously, if I not hit my brake, obviously I would have rear-ended him. There's no question about that. I would have hit him. And of course, if I hit him, and what's his story going to be? Oh, the driver hit me, rear-ended me because they weren't paying attention. Somebody was turning left, and they rear-ended me while they were turning left. No, I rear-ended you because you came into my lane from a turn lane. That's basically what my story would be because of I have camera evidence, right? So it's one of those things of saying, you know what? How many times do you guys have somebody that's on an on-ramp, off-ramp, does not know that there's a turn lane technically there, and they decide to come into your lane? I mean, right? Look, see, it goes right into my lane, and I would hit him. So it's one of those things where it's a nice way to protect yourself from drivers like that could hurt you in the long run. So hopefully you like this video. Hopefully this kind of gives you a little bit more ammunition as to why a dash camera could help you a lot. And hopefully you like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll also put a link in the description where you can pick up the same camera I have. Have a great day.